Now, to be fair, steps 5 and 6 are not actually in any particular order, meaning that sometimes a 3D model is created first and then the texture second, or sometimes vice versa. The texture is created first and then somebody creates a model later to fit it. But since textures are usually applied to 3D models, I am going to call this step 6. Now, a texture is an image that you tell the computer to place on your object, usually, so it will appear that the object is made from whatever material that texture looks like. So, for example, in this clip of Noah's Ark, I needed the ark to look like it was made from hundreds of small planks of wood. Well, rather than try to model hundreds of small planks of wood stacked on top of each other, it just made a lot more sense to find a picture of a bunch of wooden planks stacked on top of each other and apply that to my boat as a texture, and voila! Image textures are usually prepared in graphics manipulation programs such as Adobe Photoshop, which by far is the industry standard, or GIMP. Though not the industry standard, it also is free, and I love it. For the first Xander episode, I needed a box of gas brake. Really bad. So I opened up an image showing the dimensions and layout of an actual box label and went to town designing our mock product, or moduct. Once I had the product graphics created, I saved it as an image and then opened up Blender, the 3D modeling program, to apply it as a texture. So, for this box of gas brake, which came at a huge relief, I basically treated this innocent little square like I was cutting up a box, and the way you do that is by adding seams, and then I flattened it out and placed it on top of an image, and the computer now could know which parts of the image to show on which parts of the box. And now I can export this model in a format that Dash Studio will recognize, and it will remember where those texture points are.